So today we are going to talk about Gamma. So Gamma is basically an AI tool that allow us to generate PPT using prompt. So it's very efficient way of generating a PowerPoint presentation, as we just have to give what we want to generate PPT on. If I want to generate PPT on my product, I can generate it using Gamma. So it combines multiple models to generate PPT. So we are as you can see on the screen, it's the very basic dashboards. It's very easy to use. There is also uh, we can also collaborate with other people, sharing with them. So basically, uh, Gamma help us to create professional presentation, document, website, and visual content within minutes. So using artificial intelligence model like from Google, Anthropic, ChatGPT, etc. So yeah, let's see the templates basically. You can also use this template to generate PPT, and you can also give it prompt giving it a very detailed prompt to generate PPT. See, we can see this. So yeah, we can also choose how many slides to generate, how many PPT pages to generate, what to include, what to not include. So let's generate a PPT and show you the example. This is the prompt I have written. Basically, it's very detailed prompt for a streetwear brand known as Rebel Culture. So let's use this. Uh, like paste in, we can paste in. We can use a template or the pre-existing any template. Uh, let's use this. So I'll just paste my prompt here. Classic, let's go with classics, 10 cards, default. Like we can choose from any themes. There's many themes to choose from. Let's go with this basic only, or go with some colorful theme as our the brand is for the streetwear brand. So we can also choose the amount of text we can include, like it should be detailed, concise. Let's go with detailed. uh, AI images, it can also generate AI images. So let's generate it. You can see how fast it is generating. While Gamma is generating the presentation, it analyzes the prompt automatically, creating a logical structure for content. The AI is deciding what section should be included, generating slide titles, creating relevant content, and selecting layout that match the topic instead of building slides one by one. Gamma is essentially acting as a content strategist and designer at the same time. So yeah, we can see like it's pretty cool. It generated like this. We can let's go with this. Like we can see how uh, good it generated the slides and all. It also added the animation, like we can see how cool animations are. Like it's ended. So, as we can see, Gamma has successfully transformed a simple prompt into complete presentation with structured content and pretty cool and professional design and with a logical flow. This demonstration how AI can significantly reduce time uh, and effort required to create high quality and professional presentation. So thank you for your time.